sort of the reverse. A little light rain in the morning, 39 degrees at 7 a.m. Noontime, mostly cloudy and 47. By 4 o'clock, partly sunny and 52. About average, a little bit cooler than average, but in the ballpark for this time of year with that 52. As we go into the evening, temperatures dropping down to about 40 degrees. Now, the reason the graph moves around a bit is because I'm not showing you the decimal point after the 40. So, in other words, at 9 a.m.